Hello again. So, now we are going to talk about Spreeder. Now, Spreeder is a program we're going to use to practice our reading fluency. So you're going to come down here to Language Arts Google Classroom and Classwork. Then you're going to come all the way down to the bottom to where it says Spreeder. You've got Spreeder Unit 1. So you're going to click on that. You're going to open it up. And this is what it's going to look like. So you've got Spreeder. Now every day for each week you're going to read the same passage over and over so you can get more fluent and get more practice. So this is how we are going to do this. So you're going to come down here to our first reading passage. You're going to copy the text. Now how you do that is you put your cursor right in front. Now push down on your mouse pad and slide your finger down so that it highlights the entire reading passage up through gift. And then you're going to hit your keyboard Control-C. That just copied your text. Now your second step is to come back up to the title page, Spreeder Unit 1, and you're going to click on Hatching New Ideas. You're going to come to our wonderful website. You're going to hover over Emerald City. You're going to come down and you're going to click on Language Arts. Then you're going to come down here to Spreeder and you're going to click on it. Now, we have to wait for the app to load. Once the app loads, this is what it looks like. Now, you've got all of this. Welcome to Spreeder Mumbo Jumbo. You're going to just, it's all highlighted, so you're just going to hit backspace and it will, well, I shouldn't have clicked on it, but it's all highlighted in blue. You just click backspace and it will erase it. Now, keeping your cursor right here where it's blinking, you're going to hit Control-V and you're going to paste your text that we just copied. And then you're going to click Spreed. Now, here comes the important part. On your missing assignment page at the top, right under your name, it will say words per minute. You're going to go to that page, so that is found in Emerald City Google Classroom. Down at the bottom, it says your missing assignment page. Right under your name, it will say words per minute. You're going to click on settings. You're going to come to words per minute and you're going to put that number in. Well, we're going to pretend that my number is 156. So I'm going to type that in. Then you're going to come down here and you're going to click save. Now if you did it right, this number right here should be the number that you just posted in. So now you are ready to go. If you come up here, it says you should have the first word A because that was our first word in our passage that we just copied. Now for the next 3 minutes, you're going to read this. And the way that you do that is you just push this green triangle. Now, if you get through it before your 3 minutes up, so you're going to have to set a timer, take your phone, set a timer for 3 minutes, and you're going to read through this, and the program will flash you one word at a time at the number of words per minute that you typed in. Now, this is a little bit faster than what you're comfortable reading. So I added 10 words faster than what your Dibbles fluency was. So you're going to be reading a little bit faster than what you're comfortable. Now tomorrow when you read this same passage, it will be a little bit easier. And then on Thursday, it will be easier. And then on Friday, and you're going to do this every day for a week. Then on Monday, we'll read a new passage. But you start by pushing this. After you've read all the way through, if your timer still has not gone off, you click this arrow and it will take you back to the start and you just start over again. So we're going to try this out. And I'm reading this 206 word passage at 156 words. Now you need to read out loud. It does not do you any good to read quietly. You have to say the words out loud. This is what will improve your fluency. So, here we go. A little help from her friends. Mom's birthday was soon, but Cam's piggy bank was empty. She had no savings at a real bank either. As Cam grabbed Rudy's leash to walk him, she had a great idea. Many of her neighbors left their dogs home all day while they went to work. Maybe they would pay Cam to walk their dogs after school. Okay, so you're going to just read the whole thing. When it stops, then I'm just going to hit that back button and it will start it over again for me. You're going to read this for 3 minutes every single day. Not necessarily this passage, but you're going to use Spreeder every day for 3 minutes. And this will help with our reading fluency. And when you're done, when your timer goes off, you just close it all out. It doesn't save anything and you start again tomorrow. All right, talk to you soon.